Hi guys, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the homework, and I've added a new tool that I hope will help you with knowing when things are due. And in order to do that, I had to put in a due date, and I'll try to make things available even after the due date so that you can see them. But I just want to talk about what's happening this week. So we're finishing things up for this Friday, which are the reading process guide, and this is taken from Flight from Conversation. On Monday, you need to have the outline ready to go and sign up. Sign up today so that you have an appointment on Monday of when you're going to meet with me. And then you'll sign up there, and then you'll attend the Collaborate conference. Remember, this isn't a class meeting. It's a time for you and I to have a discussion about your paper. The summary for Flight from Conversation will also be due. And then you will have a rough draft to submit. And then you will have peer review. Remember that it's really important. I've included the video from last time for you to submit a new thread. Please do not reply. Submit a new thread and then reply to that person's thread after you've graded the work. And I've shown you how to do that in this video attached. What I want to draw your attention to now is the course calendar. And so I've had to put in due dates so that they would show up on your course calendar. But what you'll be able to see is that these are the assignments due for Monday. You've got the outline and you've got the summary, and you can click right there and you can edit it. Please do look at the weekly work though. It will give you helpful advice and videos and things like that. But I just want you to, hopefully this will help you understand what's due on what days and when to get them done. I've extended it to 5 p.m. for next week just so that we can get ourselves adjusted. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Often the easiest way is to give me a phone call. Don't struggle in silence. I'm here to help you and we will get there. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye-bye.